Welcome to my channel. Hello everybody. Hope y'all have had a wonderful day. Yes, this is a nice chunk of salmon in front of me. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I put lemon on my salmon. And I put a little bit of salt and pepper and garlic. So I squeeze out my lemons. I got the lemon all squeezed out, mixed it with my salt and pepper. Then mix some butter so I can rub it on this baby. I got my butter all melted. Pour it into that. It's so good, people. Stir it up real good. All right. Whatever. Okay, now. Good. Get this up. So we don't lose our juice. Alright, nice and wrapped up for the oven. Washed off the potatoes. Getting them ready to be wrapped up in tinfoil. Alrighty then. Time, we'll put dinner on. Now let's check this. Oh my goodness. It's so good. Look good. Oh yeah. That's Amazon, stop. So I've got everything kind of packed away here till dinner time. As soon as I get done cooking it all, and if no one's home, I'm headed back to work. Nobody's home yet. Food done. I got all the fixings for the baked potatoes. What else? Look what I found in my refrigerator. My daughter went shopping. Yum yum. So this is what dessert is tonight. Everybody say a prayer before you go to sleep for all the missing children. Pray that they make it home safe. Y'all. Oh yeah. Yes, that is definitely approved. Alright y'all. Have a good night.